latest frigate to enter service with Russian Navy in July. Project 22,350 frigates are expected to become the Russian Navy's most advanced warships in their class. First serial-produced frigate Admiral Kasatonov will enter service with the Russian Navy in July. Navy Commander-in-Chief Admiral Nikolai Yumanov said in an interview with the Defense Ministry's Krasnaya Zvezda newspaper on Monday. Currently, the second frigate of this project, the Admiral Kasatonov, is completing trials and will enter service with the Navy in July, the Admiral said. The Russian Navy is making an emphasis on frigates of this project as basic oceanic-going surface ships. They will also be improved in the future, the Navy chief said. The ships of this project confirm the inherent operational characteristics laid out by the designer and the manufacturer. The Project 22,350 has large modernization potential and will be further developed relative to some shipborne systems and armament. On June the 6th, the frigate Admiral Kasatonov wrapped up its state trials and returned to the Severnaya shipyard in St. Petersburg for its inspection. During the final trials in the Baltic Sea, the shipbuilders and the frigate's crew checked all the frigate's design characteristics, the operation of its systems and armament, and practiced interoperability with submarines and aircraft, and carried out rescue and evacuation drills.